Okay, now it's Hetty and Daisy's turn at 7 AM Sunday morning. Wow. Amazing, this snowstorm. Let's see what they think of it. Goodness me, as you can see. And their prints off Bella. Lucky wouldn't come outside. So, there we go. Wow, listen to that. Plane. God, must be high up, that plane. I can hear it now. But it's a definite snowstorm, this. Oh, it's getting worse. I'm out here in my nightie. What a nightmare. Dear me. Right. Come on, ladies. It's up to you, but I think it's not the kind of day you're looking for. God, Bennett, let me get in and get a light on in here. Oh, dear. That's it. I'm out in the snow. I can look out the window instead. What a nightmare. Come on, I'm putting all your food indoors. Come on. Follow me. They're not sure. Come on. Let's get your stuff in here. There you go. Come on. Yes, they're not keen on this. Come on. Oh, she just slipped. Right, there you go. So it's cat paw prints and chicken feet prints. Come on, let's get you two indoors. I think this is a first for you, Hetty. You've never seen snow before, have you? No. So you're saying, what is going on here? So I might have to pick you up and put you indoors. Hang on for a minute because it's really bad at the minute. They're not happy to come out here. Yes, I'm going to pick you up and get you in. Bear with me. There we have it. Right, I've put the girls in. God, it takes your breath away, this. Beautiful though, isn't it? And there it is, and there's my prints. My feet are now soaking wet. And my pumps. Oh dear me. My feet are like blocks of ice. They're just wringing wet. Oh, not a good start at 7 AM Sunday morning. Anyway, they're in their house. The heater's on. And they've got the breakfast. So it's now for me. It's time. Oh, I've set it back to front again. It's now time for me to go indoors and get warmed up. Don't believe I'm doing this. My fingers are like ice. Look at that. Oh, God, I bet it. Like blocks of ice. Freezing, isn't it? Absolute nightmare. Right. See you later in the day, guys. But I don't think I'll be going far. I don't like going out somewhere driving when the weather's really so bad in case, you get stuck. So, have a good Sunday, everyone. And we'll see you later. Bye.